କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ପାଣି କୂଅରେ ପଡୁଛି।
As you all can see, people from undeveloped regions face various problems regarding unhygienic areas, low literacy level, and many more.
Waste, kachra, these words doesn't mean a lot in our daily life but somehow destroy many livelihoods.
As you can see, a huge mountain of waste. This mountain can cause different types of problems. This makes this place unhygienic. It also produces bad odor. Due to this, the animal also suffer.
We, the students of DPS Davanjodi, took a step forward not just to solve a single problem but to prove our motto, start from scraps.
The scraps that were considered a waste can be turned into stars of new feed. Our model is based upon improvised waste management system in rural areas. Potholes are made for 4 to 5 households in common. People can dump their waste into these potholes.
Why potholes? Government has made a plan in which they collect garbage from each and every household by employing their workers.
Yes, that garbage is collected by vehicles, then are dumped in yards and then processed further. It takes time, effort and manpower. But we have taken few steps ahead regarding this issue.
As you can see, we have placed a particular pothole in average with 3 to 4 houses so that it will be easy for the people to access. You must be wondering how this waste will travel and what's the purpose.
You must be knowing everything requires a medium to travel. So we have used high pressure turbines which pressurize the air to travel in a particular direction. So as you see, whenever drop waste come in contact with the air, it travels toward the segregation tank for the further process.
Wait. What if someone falls into these potholes?
To ensure that, we have made a safety buzzer system
Which activates when a person opens the lid. So it acts as an alarm so that a person should shut down it when it's open.
Further, the waste are sent to segregation tanks and the segregation tank segregates biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste and send it to different plants.
These plants then process bio-waste into biofuels and other waste are converted into useful products.
Biogas such as methane will fulfill the fuel scarcity in the locality, result in low cost of fuel, no burning of wood, less pollution, no residue left, which also contributes in the greenery.
Proper waste management is done. That is, no waste is disposed over living areas, which leads to a cleaner society.
Spike in employment. People were employed in the plants according to their capabilities. Results: increase in literacy. People do get literate when they are properly educated.
Non-bio waste can be converted into sprinklers for farms, street lights and other basic tools for living. In short, it can be used to fulfill the cosmetic development of the society.
We are stepping towards 99% usage of waste. It helps the locality to contribute some amount to our GDP.
Our project is fully based underground, so there's less damage by the locals.
It's not a solution for a single problem but an aim that solves many major problems.
Start from scraps is not just a phrase, it is the spark in the eyes of hundreds of those who suffer today.